Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your cellular data. So if cellular data not working on your iPhone, so for fixing it, just go to the settings, just open mobile data, just try to, or cellular data, just turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. Also you can try to check in your mobile operator if you have available megabytes or not, and also if it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to tap on reset in the general, and here you will see option reset network settings, so just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So after, you just need to write your passcode and it will successfully reset network settings. And if you still have this issue, so the latest way you can try just might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. And after, just release your finger from power button, and after, you just need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments, and goodbye.